Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial, where today we are going to make a checklist कि एक CLAT 2027 एस्पिरेंट को एटलीस्ट जुलाई अगस्त ऑफ 2026 तक क्या क्या कर लेना चाहिए. But before we move ahead, what is the purpose of a checklist in any examination? It just tells you where you are and where you ought to be. It absolutely is not an indicator of whether you will get into a national law university or not. I'll tell you why. Because what if you've been doing everything till July and August and after that you just like chill for some time? Maybe you might not be able to crack that exam and get the kind of rank that you would have gotten before you lost the entire plot. Or maybe you are somebody who's just started CLAT 2027 preparation and you're not here yet, but you put in those hours and you put in that kind of mehnat and you end up going to your dream national law university. So I'm not telling you ये नहीं किया तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता और या फिर ये अभी तक कर लिया तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. But keeping that in mind, these are certain things that a CLAT 2027 aspirant should do or should have done by July or possibly August 2026. Firstly, reading the newspaper on an everyday basis. By that, I don't mean reading the entire newspaper, just the front page and the 4 editorials are enough because it will increase your reading speed, your reading stamina, and also get you acquainted with different types of genres that are going to help you in other reading-based sections. The second thing, something that absolutely no one really bothers with, is the fact that you've got to focus and also completely focus for 120 minutes. Now, why is that a problem? Because of course, आपकी गलती नहीं है, but I call you the real generation where your focus का capacity has shrunk down to like less than 59 seconds. ऐसे बच्चे को 120 मिनट तक complete focus के साथ बैठना ही अपने आप में एक अलग रोडीज का task है. So that is something that you need to work on. What I suggest is from today until your examination, you should have a 2.5 hour window wherein you don't check any Telegram ke messages, no WhatsApp calls, no other calls, no mindless scrolling on Instagram or for that matter on YouTube, right? And preferably if this particular window of no gadgets and full focus and no breaks, if it is from 2 o'clock to 4:30, तो वो बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात होगी because obviously 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock is the time of your examination. Next, you've got to stick to the time limit of every section. When I talk about English, and not only English, of course, even logical reasoning, 25 मिनट के अंदर अगर हो रहा है बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है, मेंटेन द पेस. 25 से 30 मिनट हो रही है तो एटलीस्ट once or twice in a week you should have a speed drill which you do it at home, a sectional which is a timed sectional. But if you are taking more than 30 minutes in English or for that matter logical reasoning, I don't care, analytical reasoning का सवाल आया, you've got to finish it off quickly. That means A, you require a lot of practice, B, you require more speed drills throughout the week, minimum of 2, जहां पे timer के साथ आप ये section करेंगे. Next is legal reasoning. By July and August of 2026, the CLAT 2027 aspirant should finally come to know कि आपके इमोशंस, आपको क्या लगता है, आपने लीगल स्टडीज क्लास 12th में क्या पढ़ा है, आपने न्यूज़पेपर में क्या पढ़ा है, का कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. Your entire legal reasoning is on the basis of the passage that has been given to you. And you've got to do it within 35 minutes. If you're unable to do that, speed drills are important here as well. Moving ahead, current affairs and GK. Now, by July and August 2026, you should definitely have a list of most important topics from January to June 2026. और हर एक टॉपिक के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर एटलीस्ट A4 साइज पेज का आपके पास वो टॉपिक के सारे नोट्स कंडेंस्ड होने चाहिए, जहां पे डेप्थ मुझे इतनी नहीं चाहिए जितनी मुझे विड्थ चाहिए. Right? I want you to go to different dimensions, how, why, background, this and that. And that should be condensed to one particular side or possibly 2 sides. But what if you've just started your preparation, but you are still a CLAT 2027 aspirant? What are you going to do then? Nothing. 7 दिनों के अंदर अंदर वो टॉपिक्स, पहले बात तो वो टॉपिक्स की लिस्ट 72 आवर्स में तुम्हारी बन जानी चाहिए. आउट ऑफ दोस लेट्स से 30 टॉपिक्स, 15 टॉपिक्स के नोट 7 दिन में बनाओ, अगले 7 दिन में और 15 के बनाओ, राइट? So that means within a span of 2 weeks, you should be done with making all the notes. Now comes learning the notes, right? So 50% of those topics should be learned in July 2026. 50% of those topics should be learned by August 2026, so that you don't get bothered or panicked by the end. Finally, for the ones who are looking into backlogs and maybe haven't done anything, chalo, most important topics to ho gaye, but what about the one-liners? Like I always say, and I'm saying it again, 5 days for one magazine has to be done. By the way, I'm going to make another dedicated video for current affairs strategy for these months, and I'll tell you exactly how to go about it. But 5 days per CLAT magazine is the mantra. We don't go beyond that, and we don't try to do more than that, right? Now for quant, by July, your concepts should be clear. If they are not, work on it. July is the month where you clear all of your percentage, average, ratio, proportion, blah, 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 all of those concepts. And साथ ही साथ, every day you have to do 15 to 20 quant questions, one-liners are what I'm talking about. And then you pivot to caselets, exactly emulating the kind of questions that you see in your CLAT examination, right? Moving ahead, and that too also on a regular basis. Then, very, very importantly, after July, August, by the end of August 2026, after that, no CLAT 2027 aspirant should ever say, मेरी मॉक में गलती हो गई, मैंने ए की जगह बी कर दिया, मैम मुझे वाइटनर दे दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो. वो नहीं करना. जितनी गलतियां करनी है तब तक करनी है, और बहुत ज्यादा गलतियां होती है OMR की, तो घर पे बैठ के whenever you are doing these time sectionals, you will fill in the OMR even if you get bored while doing it, right? The next one is very, very important. You should, by the end of August 2026, be absolutely aware as to what gets you out of a stressful situation. Because let's face it, an examination, that to a competitive examination, while your pre-boards are happening and boards are about to approach, is the zenith of anxiety that you have ever faced. So you should know what works for you. For example, what works for me is ठंडा पानी पियो और बिल्कुल आराम से स्माइल करने लग जाओ. Even if you're really scared, कहीं ना कहीं mind is so powerful, the minute you smile ऐसे लगता है हाँ ठीक है, everything will be fine, right? Now it totally depends upon you. You've got to figure it out. Is it shrugging your shoulders? Is it relaxing them? Is it taking a deep breath? Or whatever it is, right? Please do that. And finally, very, very importantly, by July and August, a CLAT 2027 aspirant, all of you should have a book of mistakes, which comprises of insights from every single mock or sectional that you've ever given, section-wise. And then, of course, you should work towards eliminating those errors. And if you are able to do that by July, August 2026, you're on the right path. If in case you're nowhere close to this, doesn't matter, put in those extra hours and make sure that you are. I'm sure you'll be able to crack it. Thank you very much.